How to set up your Quora profile. Your profile is a digital business card on Quora. A well-organized profile helps other users trust your answers and increases your visibility. This guide will show you how to set up the basics of your Quora profile on your iPhone. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner and then tap on the circular avatar area. You can choose to take a fresh photo with your iPhone camera or select a professional headshot from your photo library. Make sure the photo is clear and well lit. Users are much more likely to engage with an account that has a recognizable and friendly face. Next, tap on the edit button next to your name. Here you can ensure your display name is formatted correctly and add your location or a short summary. This gives the Quora community a sense of who you are. First impressions matter. Like and subscribe for our next guide on adding specialized credentials to your profile.